Welcome back to Maths with Mr. Duffield. I am doing some gradient work for my third form specifically. You might find this useful if you're struggling with even GCSE revision, really. This is a topic which people really do struggle with. This question is about finding the gradient of lines. Now, there's a really easy trick to this, which I feel like I keep on repeating, as if, yelling at a brick wall. But here we are. In essence, the word gradient, it means slope. It means the slopiness, how steep a line is, and it's expressed as a number. And the number is the answer to the following question. If I step one space to the right along this horizontal, along the x-axis, how far up or down have I gone on the y-axis? Okay, so I'll say that again. If I step one to the right along the x-axis, how far up or down has the line gone vertically on the y-axis? So in this case, the question, I've just illustrated it on here. One step to the right is 2 jumps up. So the gradient, I'll express that as the letter M, is 2. Part B, over here. Take a look. 1 jump to the right here is 1 jump up, so the gradient is 1. Okay, and then over here, this is the last one I'll do for now. 1 jump to the right here is 1, 2, 3. 3 up, meaning that the gradient is 3. That is how we find the numerical gradient of any of these lines. I hope that helps some of you, because I've been told that some of you are struggling with this. We can also go the other way, drawing lines with gradients. So if I was asked to draw a line with gradient 2, I would just make sure, it's really arbitrary as to where on the y-axis for this particular question I cut through. So let's say I start at this point. Every time I go across 1, line goes up by 2, and 1 up by 2, and so on. Drawing this line together with a nice straight edge. There you go. There you go. A line with gradient 2. What about one of these other ones? How about, I don't know, -3? If I were to start up here, every time I go across by 1, down 3. Cross by 1, down 3. Cross by 1, down 3. There's a predictability to it. There's a pattern to it. And once you get it, once you understand that pattern, actually drawing the thing isn't the end of the world at all. So this was the answer to part A, and this is the answer to part E. I hope that makes sense, because I've had a request to kind of confirm this, and when it comes to some of the more complicated ones, I might make another video here just to confirm. But that's the basic gist of what the gradient is. If I take a step 1 that way, how far up or down do I go? I hope that makes sense. I'll talk to you soon.